Hi there, this is the KORG Nautilus, and today I'm going to show you how I can reset the factory PCGs on this Nautilus keyboard. It's a very simple procedure. Here we have the Nautilus, the main page. We go to mode here, and we have the piano sound. When we go hit mode, we have media. We hit media, and it brings us to factory preset here. Make it a little bit more clear. Factory preset, you gotta open that file or highlight that file, what I just did, and then it says open. Where it says open, you'll see preload .ksc, which means programs global, and all kinds of settings, the global settings of the whole keyboard, the sounds, everything. So what you got to do is say load on that, and you press load, and then it asks you load the PCG2 or PRG global. You click on these two and it'll load the whole thing like brand new. There you go, and I press OK, and it's doing it right now. And this procedure also is good for Triton, M3, the M50, the KORG TR, Chrome, KROSS keyboards, and all of the workstations all work in similar fashion, where this is the way you load it, and it's in the hard drive, internal hard drive. And just to while it's loading, so PCGs means programs, combinations, and global, which you'll see all the options for programs, combinations, and global, and that's what PCG stands for. This is just a quick video on how it's done, and I'll show you as soon as it's done how this keyboard reacts. Thank you. There we go. We go exit, go back to media, we go to programs, and we have all our programs are all inside, our combinations, our demos, everything is inside the keyboard now, and all it remains is that's it. Thank you very much.